Flathead screwdriver. The trunk light is located on the driver's side. There are 2 clips to lock the assembly. Insert the screwdriver to pry out the top side of the lens. We highlight the 2 clips on the lens. This will be helpful when it's time to close the lens after installation. Squeeze the tab on the plug and unplug the wire connector. We highlight the tab here. There are another 3 clips locking the lens. Insert your screwdriver and release each clip. Remove the incandescent bulb. Install the LED and rotate it so the chips face out towards the lens. Unplug the wire connector and insert the lens back into the assembly. Plug in the wire connector and insert the assembly into the housing from the bottom to the top. You will hear a snap once it is locked in. Check out the comparison between the incandescent light bulbs and the new ALA lighting LED bulbs. When we measure the light output, the lux of the LED is more than 7 times brighter than the incandescent bulb, a huge difference to light up the whole trunk.